Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I promised you guys that I would be taking you guys to my second property. So this is the house I just purchased. This is the front door right here. I went the other day to buy, it's right by the road, so you guys will be hearing so much noise. And my other property that I took you guys to is right by the road as well, but my contractor was supposed to change the lock and he gave me the keys to the new lock, but he never changed it. This is the second time that I have been here. He is not here. He promised he was going to be here in the morning, but he was not here. So I seen that he's painted this bedroom right here. So this is a bedroom right here. He's painted the bedroom, and he's changed the windows in the basement. I could see that right from the outside. So here's the house. It's a smaller home, but I absolutely love the location. It's right by the road, and there's a Pizza Hut somewhere around here. It's really in a business area, so this is a hot cake. This one is gonna rent as fast as the other one rented out. So I will be taking you guys inside this house to show you guys. He's already renovating it. I already paid the contractor to renovate it. I already bought the paint. I think we're gonna be painting it. We're gonna be drywalling a few parts in the hallway to the basement, and we're gonna buy a few appliances in the house. We're gonna be changing the carpet. I already paid for a new carpet. It's in the house. We're gonna be changing the windows, and in the springtime we are also gonna wash the whole outside of it because it's kind of dirty. If you guys could see this, it's kind of dirty. So that is going to be power washed during the spring and summertime. So yeah, I'm sorry I'm unable to do much with this video, being that the house is locked at the moment. The lock was supposed to be changed, but he never did that. So yeah, also this property I closed on in December. I bought it and I paid cash for this one as well, and all the money that is going to be coming from this house is going to be pure profit, being that I'm not owing anyone. I don't owe a mortgage on any of my 7 properties. I don't owe any mortgages on them, and I'm in the process of buying an 8th property right now, but that one is going to be in Jackson, Michigan. So I will be driving to Jackson, Michigan to look at that property. So yeah, I will be updating you guys on this one. Hope you guys like this short video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and also subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos of my investments and my real estate, and I'll be coming with more videos like this as time goes on. So this one I'll be in here showing you guys during the renovations and things like that, and I will be taking you guys to another one after this one that I will be fixing up in a short amount of time. After this one is done, me and my contractor will be going to the other one. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And those of you who are subscribed to my channel because of my luxury videos, don't be worried. I will be making more videos about luxury and things like that, because I do love luxury and I do save up my money to buy everything that I own. I'm not rich, but I love to save up money and accomplish my goals and my dreams. So yeah, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.